The 2023-2025 Hyundai Palisade key fob relies on a CR2032 battery to function. A dead or weak battery means you might lose remote lock-unlock, start, or panic alarm functionality. Replacing it yourself is a simple way to save time and money compared to dealership service. How do you know the battery needs replacing? Look for these signs: decreased range, where you need to be closer to the car, the key fob becoming unresponsive, or an indicator light on your dashboard. These are clear indications it's time for a new CR2032 battery. If equipped, errors may show on the dashboard screen. You'll need a few simple tools and materials for this replacement. First, a new CR2032 battery, which is the power source for your key fob. A small flathead screwdriver to help open the key fob case, or a plastic pry tool, which is gentler and won't scratch the surface. Finally, a microfiber cloth is optional but useful for cleaning any dust. CR2032 batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for around $5 to $10. Locate the small slot or indentation on the back of your Palisade key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the slot and twist or lever to pop open the cover. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, locate the battery compartment. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery using your finger or a non-conductive tool to avoid damage. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, should be facing up when installed. This ensures proper electrical contact and prevents damage to the fob. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure the positive side faces the same direction as before, up toward the circuit board. Press it firmly into place to ensure good contact. Ensure the battery is firmly seated in the compartment. A loose battery can cause poor performance or complete failure of the key fob functions. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently snap them back together. Ensure that the case is fully closed and that there are no gaps. A satisfying click usually indicates a secure closure. Now test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. Stand near your vehicle and verify that it responds as expected with sounds or lights. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly. The positive side should face up. If problems continue, there may be a deeper electrical issue requiring professional assistance. If the key fob isn't working after battery replacement, ensure you've used the correct CR2032 battery type. Avoid touching the battery terminals with your fingers. For persistent issues, consider using OEM batteries, which have a higher success rate compared to generic brands. If all else fails, consult your Hyundai dealer.